VHS tape. All right, here we go. So you got a 3-wheel coming in. The right front floats, and then left rear gets underhung from that rock on the left. You got to utilize the bumper a little bit to skid that right rear in to catch. Coming over here where you can see that that's underhung, it's sort of pinched underneath. This is why I like foams. It lets stuff kind of do that and then also kind of work the way around if you're kind of careful. You can also watch the left front, how it's all totally deformed. Then it pops and lets free. It's able to start to gain traction and work it over. So this is all just a gap, and I'm just trying to utilize the edges of the gap. And I get traction on left front, and right front slips down. That's all right. It's kind of working in conjunction with each other until it gains traction. Basically, the right front's running on its side, which is one of the reasons why I like these JD Crawlers as much as I do. They got a lot of nice sipes on the side to help with traction. So basically now it's just got to pull itself up, get on the ledge, and then you lose the left rear for a second until it makes contact, and then you lose the right rear until it makes contact. Tricky line. I had not done it yet. And I also had not been able to climb this, if I'm not mistaken. This thing just climbs anything, it seems like. While it doesn't have the craziest hard edge breakover capability at, 4 or 5 inches, it will certainly climb some of the steepest stuff that I've put it up on. So there's a lot to be said for that. And its overall stability, in really funky off-axis stuff, very impressed with. It's just got to be the whole LCG designed chassis. God, if I could actually say that. I think I screwed that up in the last video too. Axle drop out, that float for a second. And then the left front too, the way that holds together, even though it's using a foam, without folding over. This truck weighs 504 grams, and it totally held itself there without any issues. To each their own on whatever you prefer using. Again, if somebody wants to send me a set, I am more than willing to give them a shot. Convince me that I need to switch. Cool part about the Furitek brushless system is you can really back that back down and get off the throttle and just let the tires start to work and do their thing. I don't know how steep this is either. Feel free to put your protractor on the screen and check it out. This might be the steepest rock in the yard if I'm not mistaken. Certainly not the most complicated line, just the steepest line. Alright, so here's the left side of that climb again, but like in regular speed. So you can see I get the left front up, and then that's underhung, but it just catches this time. This time it's a little more further to the left, so it takes a second to sort of catch, but it does. And for those of you that are not having good luck with these tires, I'm sorry to hear that. It's too bad, because I'm definitely enjoying these a lot. They seem to work really well. And this time it ended up a little further to the right, and then had to catch all of that ledge. But then I wanted to finish it off with this, because that's a pretty good breakover. Not bad. And here's that climb again. So I think I've got a little bit more footage left of this one. Pretty much stuff from the same day. I haven't been out with it again since. I do need to get back out. But it is a great truck. I'm very happy that I took the plunge and ordered the chassis and did the body. It's not perfect. My few little screw-ups here and there, you know, they're there. Oh well, truck still runs really well. Bumper is going to get released here in another couple days, so I got to be quick on the clicks. I have a feeling that little guy racing stuff sells out fairly fast. Within about a day or so after me posting the first video of this, not that I would have had any impact upon that, but I just happened to stop by and see if what other stuff they had on the chassis page and discovered that it was sold out. So I'm sure that's a pretty common occurrence over there. They make good stuff. Next thing to do would be get some Super 8s, throw underneath this. I like the plus 4s on this, but these axles actually kind of belong on that OGRC chassis. And kind of make this thing 100% little guy racing. It'd be kind of cool. Maybe get some of his drive shafts and whatnot too at a later time. Sorry this has taken so long. I slowed it down so I could keep rambling over the video and make it 8 minutes and 30 seconds and get some good old-fashioned view time from YouTube. How's that sound? Just kidding. Thanks a lot for watching, folks. I do appreciate it if you're still here. Yeah, you got any questions or suggestions on this truck, let me know. See you in the next one. Take it easy. Thanks for watching.